What's good? What's popping? Hope you guys are doing good. What's good? What's popping? Hope you guys are doing good. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I go by the name of tumi.moleele. Please do click that subscribe button down below to be part of the TMGs, and to all my returning subscribers, to all my TMGs. What's good? What's popping? Hope you guys are doing good. Yes, sir. Hi guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4, baby. Guys, we are actually doing Vlogmas, guys. It's actually crazy that I am participating in Vlogmas. And it better pay off, guys, because honestly, we started Vlogmas on a shaky side. But I think I did mention it in my upcoming videos. I don't want to make this intros very long, so I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1, 2, and 3. As you guys saw, those were my last couple of days as a student, and then you guys will enjoy Vlogmas as a whole. Guys, we are literally 21 days away from the end of Vlogmas, and it sounds like a lot, but low-key it's not a lot. And yeah, guys, I hope that you guys will enjoy Vlogmas Day 4. Bye. Hi guys, so welcome back to yet another video. This is Vlogmas episode 4, I believe, and today is a Tuesday at around 4:30. Guys, let me tell you something. One thing about Zerist, this is actually very funny. One thing about Zerist, guys, Zerist, when it rains, when it sees a little drizzly, or it hears thunders, right? The power leaves. Please tell me why guys. And you know what scares me right now is that we can go 2 days, maybe 3 days, maybe 4 days without electricity. And this is why I hate being home. I love Zerist, guys. I love being home. I love seeing my family. I love seeing my friends. Even though since I've gotten here, since I've arrived from New I haven't seen my friends. And I think, okay, one of the reasons is because they're still working, they're still in school, and I'm only going to see them in December. Yeah, hopefully. But anyway, so I'm literally indoors 24/7. I arrived on Thursday, and yeah, I didn't vlog when I got home. I didn't vlog Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. There's so much to celebrate this December. And yeah, hopefully what I plan on celebrating actually happens. Also, I believe that I'm going somewhere like next week. I'm going somewhere and I'm not gonna vlog. I wouldn't be able to vlog, so I'm trying to like vlog like 2 days this week so that I can actually have something to do. Also, I don't know where they put my clothes, like my Shein clothes. I had planned on doing like a Shein haul, but I don't know where they put my clothes. I want to dye one of my wigs blonde, right, or ash blonde, but like I don't know where they put my suitcase. Well, I do know where they put my suitcase, but there's a specific bag that has my wigs, and I don't know who when they came and fetched my things when I stayed go campus and stuff. So there's really nothing to do. Like I said, my friends are not here. And you know, one thing that I want to try out, and I want to try out vlogging when I'm out with my friends. Like, go feel like, guys, one thing about me, guys, I sometimes forget that I need to vlog when I'm with my friends or like people that I love, because it's like I don't see them as often as, you know, as I should. And when I see them, I always want to be in the moment and stuff. So hopefully in this Vlogmas 2024, we will have my friends on the channel, right? Yeah, some of the things, guys, you will see as they happen. I don't want to like jinx myself and then the next thing those things don't happen. So like some of the things you'll see them when like they happen when I vlog. Will I be posting in real time? I think I won't be posting in real time because already I've got like 3 videos, including this 4 videos lined up for like the first 4 days of December, and then but I'm not gonna, guys, I won't have time to vlog and edit the same day. If I have the time to vlog and edit the same day, then trust you me, I'll do that. But like there's just a lot happening, guys. Like there's a lot of changes that there's a lot of changes that are happening in my life, and I won't share them now, guys. Like I said, I don't want to jinx myself. So like hopefully I'll do like a sit down video, like a sit down video and explain a little life update. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, I guess, and cheers to a very successful semester, even though the semester had to be by my throat, but like we conquered and we survived. Also, guys, I miss my friends. Oh my good God, I miss my friends Bako Valley. Like I miss Nolutando, I miss Kelly, I miss Masejo. And you know what the thing is, né? The thing is, I noticed that how can I put it? I like to create friendship towards the end of the year. Like the last day of me being Go Valley, I went to Emeralds with Anele and Natasha, and it's like they're nice people, guys. I feel like all my honest group mates were nice people. We all had our flaws, but like every single one of them is really nice. And yeah, guys, like low key I miss school because like guys get like and it's something that I love sleeping, but it gets tired at some point. Anyway, let me save my battery because I can say also, how crazy is it that I've been in Val for like a year, but I don't have like a Soto accent. Enjoyed Vlogmas day 4. It was a little bit short, I know, but like I did mention that, guys, I won't be doing like my 30-minute videos because yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 4, and I'll see you guys on my next Vlogmas, which is Vlogmas day 5. See you guys, bye.